Welcome, this is Mr. Robinson, and today I'm going to be talking about communication within Edu 2.0. This is going to be part one today. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead into the portal and log in. Once you log in, you're going to see all of your classes down here to the left. I'm going to choose 7J ICT, which is actually not a real class. I'm just going to use this as an example. Once you click on the class, the first thing that's going to come up is the news section here. Very similar to the news feed within Facebook, if you're familiar with that. So I have three options in here. I can do a post, a class announcement, or I can configure some RSS feeds. So let's go ahead and choose post here. And this is just a normal like Facebook post. So I can just say, welcome to 7J and click on send. So this will appear in the news feed of all of my students in that class who are registered in that class. Class announcement, let's say test today. This is going to be a little bit different than a post. When I send this, it's going to have a big bell next to it. And it's going to very clearly be a class announcement. It's also going to appear in the class announcement section for each student. I'll show you what that looks like in a little bit. I can also go send plus message if I want, and that'll also send a direct message to all my students as well. But I'm just going to click on send here. So you can see it appears with a big bell, and then also in this section, each student will have this as well in the announcements section where it says test today. I can always delete these posts if I need to. Okay, so that's post, class announcement. Last one is RSS feeds. I can configure these so that they appear in the newsfeed section if I want. You can create your own RSS feed. If you create a blog within Edu 2.0 and click on Enable RSS Feeds, and anytime you post something on that blog, it will go right into the news section. But that's kind of another screencast. So let's just add an existing feed and see what that looks like. So let's click on Add. Okay, and there's a ton of these by category. So I'm going to go down to the computers category and choose one of these. I'll choose cnetnews.com. If you're not familiar with RSS, it stands for Really Simple Syndication. And I'm going to click on Save. And what that means is that every time that they post something in their blog or podcast or whatever, it'll automatically come to you into your news feed and the news feed of your students. So let's go return to news and let's see what we have. So we have my announcement, we have my post, and we have all of these posts from cnet.com. Okay, so that's it for part one of communication within Edu 2.0.